viewers, it's Allison Salvin. I wanted to show you a really quick tip on how to line up some of your stamps when you don't want to stamp them individually. It's kind of a cool trick. So for instance, on this card, I've got happy birthday, celebrate your big day with cake, and perhaps a little ice cream. This is the original stamp set, so you can see that those three images are completely separate. But if you want a really fun and fast way to stamp them all at once, let me show you how to do that. So I've got the Celebrate Your Big Day with Cake stamp here, and I want to have the Happy Birthday at the top. So I'm just going to kind of line it up here on the top, just like that. And then I'm going to add with a little bit of, and perhaps a little ice cream on the bottom. That's cake without ice cream, right? So now it's all on the same block. I'm just going to ink it up. Got a piece of white paper here. And I'm just going to line it up and stamp. Isn't that great? So it's all lined up for you already and ready to color. I'll bring in the finished card. This is what the finished card looks like. And now the same technique with a photopolymer stamp, which is a little bit easier because you can see what you're doing. This set, Painted Petals, is in the Occasions catalog. It is supposed to come with 13 stamps. However, the photopolymer version actually comes with 18. It's exactly the same images, but they're cut instead of being on one stamped image. So rather than let this bother me, I thought, oh, this is kind of cool because I've got a little bit more options here. And let me just show you how you can quickly put them all together and stamp. So these are all the flowers that I've stuck together. This is one stamp, two stamps, three stamps. And here's the leaves. So one stamp, two stamp, three stamp, four stamps. I'm going to bring in my piece of cardstock, and I'm going to start with the leaves in this case. So just going to ink those up with Old Olive. So there's my leaves. And now I've got my flowers, and I'm going to ink those up with Rose Red. I know I want them to line up like so. Isn't that great? So I lined up all my flowers with my leaves. This was a card that I received at Leadership in a Swap. Unfortunately, I don't know who gave it to me. She didn't take credit, or he. But I really loved how this was laid out. So you can see that I could simply stamp a whole bunch just by using two stamps instead of the 7 individual stamps. So I hope this quick tip helps you. Have fun stamping, and thanks for watching.